back with another exciting video. Happy Independence Day! Today we're gonna go see fireworks and we thought we would film the experience with you guys. Let's go! So we're gonna bring some water bottles just in case.
Remember,
Getting into the car. Safety first.
Safety first. Guys, it's really good weather out here.
Guys, there's some fireworks being set off over there. Little sparkles. Super cool. So we are gonna check out view number 2.
Goomies, would you rather jump right here without water, or would you rather jump down here with water? I would really rather do it with water because if I had a floaty, I'll just float and not like hit my head or something so I can get hurt.
Lots of fireworks are being set up now. There's like all in different spaces. We are getting set up right now.
Candy, candy, they're my favorite cheat. Dee 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 dee. Oh.
Beautiful. We're about to eat these sour candies. Whoop whoop, more. Let's see how not spicy, sour this is. What's it like?
It sours my cheeks off.
What about my reaction? I'm gonna do a green one because green is always like the sourest and the best. Not too much sour on it. I'll try one more. How about, what do you guys think? A bug just landed on my cheek. How about let's give the green a shot again? That one was really sour. Definitely green apple. Time for sparklers. Always be responsible and do them with an adult. Water break.
Mom.
Oh, baby.
Mom.
Oh. Oh. Okay guys, so there's a lot of action now because all the cars are leaving because the fireworks are over. But there's lots of different colors, mostly like red and green. There are a lot of red and green. But there's still fireworks going off over there, just some. But we had a lot of fun watching the fireworks. We were setting up and we just had a lot of fun. There's still kind of fireworks going off, but right now, just the main fireworks that we were going to come see, they are over. So, wow. Okay, those are really loud. But we finished watching the fireworks, and we hope you guys enjoyed watching some of them with us.
We're back from the fireworks, so it's time for jammies.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we loved the fireworks, and we hope you guys loved watching too. Thank you for watching. Bye! Bye-bye, Goomies!
Goose,